Hi, my name is Micah, and thanks for joining me as we talk about another interesting topic in the world of Romtec Utilities pumping systems.
When it comes to pump system design, control panels are right there at the center. A great control panel will meet the needs and capabilities not only for the application, but more importantly the needs and capabilities of the now and future operator. While some owners have experience maintaining one pump system, others have experience maintaining hundreds. The application of the system and who will be maintaining it should directly drive the thought behind the design. Let's take a minute to break down what exactly a basic and complex control panel look like. Complex control panels will include componentry to allow for more flexibility. Components like PLCs, HMIs that incorporate the use of custom code provide opportunities to add more and do more. Things like additional field monitoring equipment or SCADA equipment are all items that have more flexibility with the use of a PLC. However, more isn't always better depending on who you are and what the system is doing. Basic control panels, on the other hand, do not allow for significant customization. The lack of a PLC or smart controller limits the design to a go, no-go mentality. Is the system ready to pump? Yes. Is the system an alarm? No. Basic control panels are in no way inferior to complex panels, it is simply a matter of preference. Both basic and complex control panel configurations provide robust and reliable solutions for pump systems in both critical and non-critical applications. In the end, it is always the application and experience of the maintenance team that should dictate the design of a control panel.
Thanks again for joining me to discuss another aspect of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Romtec Utilities designs and supplies systems across all water types and looks forward to hearing from you on your next pumping system project.